Hi everybody, hope you are all fine. This is Atik. I welcome all of you to our YouTube channel Engineering Drive. Today I am going to discuss about functions in our C programming language. My dear students, what is the main purpose of using function in our C language? And if we won't use function, can we write a C program with the same capability? Okay, each and everything I am going to discuss in my today's video. My dear students, first of all, what is a function in our C language? First of all, we should know the definition first. A function is nothing but a function refers to, or a function is a block of code. A function is a block of code or program statements or program statements. A function is nothing but it refers to a block of code or program statements which will perform some specific task for the main program, which will perform some specific task for the main function. Now, sir, can you give some examples, sir, how we can use functions in our C program? Whether already we are using functions in our C program? Yes, we will use number of functions in order to complete one C program. For example, the general structure of our C program will be like this. We will start our C program with the one by default one function will be there. The name of the function is main function, opening brace, and our C program ends with one function, getch. Okay, you know that in every C program we will make use of this main function. Without main function there is no C program at all, which means already a C program is nothing but it starts with a function. The name of the function is main function. Without main function there is no C program, and in order to end our C program we will make use of generally getch function. Is it right? Now there are some more functions we used in our program. The name of the functions like CLR, SCR. You know what is the use of this CLR, SCR function? To clear the previous output. In order to clear the output, previous output, we will make use of this clear screen function, CLR, SCR function. Okay, sir. We got one clarity that a function is nothing but, sir, which will do some work. Simple answer. Main function, it will start the C program. CLR, SCR function, it is used to clear the previous output. getcs function by which we will end our C program. Similarly, we have come across one more function in our C program. The name of the function is printf function. What is the job of printf function? To display the output. Okay, so we got one clarity that a function is nothing but which will do some work, or in programming terminology we can make use of this definition. A function is a block of code or program statements that perform some specific task for the main program or main function. So for main function, these functions will help in order to complete the work. Clear screen function will clear the previous output. Printf function will display the output. Okay, sir. We got one idea that a function is nothing but which will do some work. Now, what are the types of functions our C language supports? Our C supports two types of functions. How many types? Two types or two categories. First type of functions are built-in functions. What is the first category? Built-in functions. And the second category of the functions are user defined functions. Okay, so dear students, C supports two categories of functions: built-in functions, user defined functions. If we concentrate on the side heading, there only we will get the answer. What is that? Built-in functions. Built-in, the functions which already they will come along with C language. When C language was developed, at that time only these functions were created by the developers. What are the examples of built-in functions, sir? Already we have seen now. Main is a built-in function which starts our C program. CLR, SCR is a built-in function which is used to clear the previous output. Printf is a built-in function which is used to display the output. Similarly, we are having some more functions. Okay, CLR, SCR is there already. We know. Next, printf, comma, scanf. etc. And there are many numerous functions that already they are designed when C language was developed and they are having some meaning. These functions are built-in functions. Now what these functions will do? They will do some work depending on their name. Is it clear? Now second category, which is very important for us. What is the second category? User defined function. Function means which will do some work, or it refers to a block of code or program statements. User defined. Here user defined indicates that the functions that can be created by the user according to the requirement of the program. Okay, what are user defined functions? User defined functions are those functions that are created by the user according to the requirement of the program. See, already these functions are there, but we can't change the name, or neither we can't change the meaning also. Sir, I want to change the work of scanf function. It is possible? No. Sir, I want to change the work of printf function, sir. No. Printf function has been designed only to display the output. Scanf function has been designed only to accept the input. CLR SCR function has been designed in order to clear the previous output. All these functions, they will have their individual capabilities. We can't change the definitions now. Sometimes as a user, we want to create our own function with our own requirement. At that time, we can make use of user defined functions. Okay, the functions that can be created by the user according to the requirement of the program. So dear students, in my next class, I am going to discuss about the user defined function. How to create a user defined function and how to make use of it in our C programs. So I am going to clarify this particular doubt. Now, so my dear students, today I am going to post one question to you. Keep your or put your answer in the comment section. The question of my today's video is, can we change the definition of these built-in functions? Suppose I want to make CLR SCR to do some other work other than clearing the previous output. I want to make printf to do some other work other than displaying the output. Whether it is possible to change the definition of built-in functions? Whether the answer is yes or no, simply put it in the comment section. So in my next video, I am going to continue the concept of user defined function. So with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.